In this video, we will show you how to create a useful gadget using a plastic pipe and a bottle cap with a simple and easy method that you can try at home in just a few minutes.
To cut the plastic pipe, first, use a marker to mark the cutting points accurately. Then use a saw to carefully cut along the marked lines. Cut slowly and steadily for a precise shape. After cutting the pipe, smooth the edges using sandpaper to remove any rough parts. Now, use a scale and a marker to draw a straight line on the pipe. Use scissors to carefully cut along the marked line on the pipe. Heat the pipe with a heat gun and straighten it carefully. Mark a line on the pipe with a marker and carefully cut that section using scissors. Draw a circular mark on the plastic bottle cap using a marker, then carefully cut it out with a cutter. Use a soldering iron to make a small hole on the side of the bottle cap. Now, draw a line on the pipe using a marker. Use a soldering iron to make holes in the pipe. Take a rivet pin, pass it through the hole in the pipe, and then attach the bottle cap. Now, use pliers to press the rivet pin securely. Your DIY tool organizer is now complete. Apply glue to the tool organizer and hang it on the wall. Now hang the tools on the tool organizer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing DIY ideas.